Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the precise frames you'll connect. Name pages to avoid confusion. Once selected, switch to the prototype panel and create a node from the source frame to initiate a link. Make sure to pick the correct interaction trigger, click, hover, or drag, because the trigger controls how users move between pages. Also choose the destination frame or page explicitly and optionally set a URL for external navigation. This direct first step gets your project link ready immediately. Once links are established, refine how transitions feel by selecting animation type and duration. Smart Animate helps when element names match across frames. Make sure to add consistent hotspots or buttons across frames to preserve navigation predictability, and use overlays for dialogues instead of full-page jumps when appropriate. Also configure back and close behaviors so users can return intuitively. Then run present mode and click through the entire flow to spot animation glitches. You finish by validating every navigation path. Walk through each link in present mode and confirm overlays and transitions behave as expected. Before publishing, create a version or duplicate the file so you can revert if needed. This preserves a stable prototype. If a link breaks, make sure frames weren't renamed without updating targets. Check for hidden layers intercepting clicks, and verify prototype connection lines actually point to the intended frame. If problems persist, recreate the hotspot on a fresh layer and reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.